How to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and in this video we will see how we can set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Bybit application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in with your Bybit account. Now from your home page, navigate to top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Once you get to your profile page, now on this interface, if you navigate to this menu bar with an option as security, invite friends, sub account and demo account or demo trading. So from there you have to tap on security. Now on the security page there, you will have an option as Google Two-Factor Authentication. Tap on it or turn on this toggle. After that, you will receive a verification code in your Gmail. So go and check for the email from Bybit where you will have the verification code. Once you have the code, simply type in the correct code right here. Then tap on continue. Now you have to copy this key from this interface. Once you have copied this key, now you have to go back to your device and open up the Google Authenticator application. After you open it up, now tap on this plus icon from the bottom right corner. Then tap on enter a setup key. Now you have to simply paste the key that you have copied recently, and at the top you have to type in Bybit. Then tap on add. After that, you will get this code under Bybit by Google Authenticator. You have to simply copy the code. Now once it is copied, you have to go back to Bybit and then tap on next. Then you have to paste the code that you have copied from Google Authenticator. Once it is copied, and you have to verify. After it is verified, there you can see the Google Two-Factor Authentication is now turned on in Bybit. So that's how you set up Google Authenticator in Bybit, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.